If you want to offer discounts and upsells through email without coming off as cheap, stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to do that. Offering discounts and upsells is a great strategy, but you have to execute it right to make sure it feels valuable, not desperate. By the end of this video, you'll know how to position those deals in a way that makes your customers feel like they're getting an exclusive high-value offer. Let's dive into it. First things first, you need to frame your discount or upsell as a limited time opportunity. This creates urgency, but in a way that feels exclusive, not pushy. Instead of saying, here's a discount because we need to get rid of stuff, try something like, we wanted to give you an exclusive offer before it's gone. You're making them feel special, not like you're unloading old inventory. Next, focus on adding value with your upsell. Don't just throw in a product for a few bucks off. This can feel cheap. Instead, position the upsell as an upgrade that enhances the original product they've already purchased. For example, since you're getting this, we'd recommend our advanced version to get the most out of it. Make the upsell feel like a smart decision, not a sales tactic. One common mistake is to overdo it with discounts. Constantly sending emails with 50% off or buy one, get one free can degrade the perceived value of your brand. Instead, try offering value-based incentives. For example, get a 10% discount when you refer a friend, or enjoy an exclusive bonus when you buy today. This adds a sense of exclusivity without giving away too much. When writing your email copy, make sure the offer is clear but not overwhelming. Don't bury the discount or upsell offer deep in your email. Make it easy for your customer to understand exactly what they're getting and why it's worth it. Use bold text, clear calls to action, and don't be afraid to highlight the limited nature of the offer. Also, always tie your discount or upsell back to the customer's needs. You can do this by showcasing how the deal aligns with their goals or pain points. For example, we know you've been looking for ways to insert benefit, so we're offering you this exclusive deal that helps you do just that. This makes the offer feel more personal and tailored to their needs. If you're ready to follow along, I recommend checking out the software we'll be using for these strategies. It offers a lot of powerful tools to create offers without looking cheap. I've tested all the most popular options, and this one is my top choice. You can get an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below, available only to viewers of this channel. As a key takeaway, remember, position your discounts and upsells as exclusive, time-sensitive opportunities that add value to the customer's purchase. Use urgency, personalization, and make the offer feel valuable rather than discount-driven. Quick recap. 1. Frame discounts and upsells as limited time, exclusive offers. 2. Add value through smart upsells. 3. Avoid over-discounting to preserve brand value. And 4. Tailor your offers to your customers' needs. And again, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to start creating offers that don't look cheap. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.